Once again, here I am. This is Coach High speaking. We are going to work on operations with decimals number 3, dividing and multiplying by 10, 100, 1000s, and so on with decimals. There are 3 easy steps to multiply with 10s, 100s, and 1000s. Number 1, rewrite the decimal number with original decimal. Number 2, move the decimal to the right the same number of places as the number of zeros in the second factor. Number 3, rewrite answer as an equation. Alright, now we're going to work some problems out. We're going to work some examples. I want you to work along with me. Be sure to write it on a sheet of paper. You may pause the video so you can write it on that sheet of paper. Step number 1, we're going to rewrite with decimal. So we're going to rewrite this number with a decimal. Okay. Step number 2, we're going to move the decimal to the right, however many places, the same number of places as zeros in the factor. So we have 2 zeros, so we're going to move it to the right, two places. That gives me, and step number 3, I have to rewrite answer as an equation. So C equals 240. The next problem is x equals 0.9743 times 1000. Step number 1, rewrite with decimal. There we go. Step number 2, move the decimal to the right as the same number of zeros in the factor. This is a typo. That's supposed to be factor. So this is the factor right here. I have 3 zeros, so I want to move it to the right 3 places. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to rewrite it, which is step number 3. X equals 0974.3. That's how you work multiplying decimals. Now we're going to look at dividing decimals now. You have 3 easy, simple steps to divide decimals with 10, 100, 1000s, and so on. Step number 1, you must rewrite the decimal number with original decimal. Step number 2, you move the decimal to the left, not the right, the left, the same number of places as the number of zeros in the divisor. Step number 3, rewrite the answer as an equation. Make sure that you have your equal signs lined up. You have a variable on one side and the answer on the other side. And now we're going to work some problems, some examples. We have y equals 37.52 divided by 10. Step number 1, rewrite the decimal. So it's 37.52. Step 2, move the decimal to the left, and there's only 1 0, so I'm going to move it to the left 1 place. Then I'm going to rewrite the answer as an equation, which is y equals 3.752. The next example is a equals 10.31 divided by 1000. My first step is to rewrite with a decimal, the original decimal, so it's 10.31. Step 2, move the decimal to the left according to how many zeros, which we have 3 zeros, so we're going to have to move it to the left. I'm going to move it. 1, 2, 3. Now, when you have this, you're going to fill in the open space with another 0. Now, I will rewrite the question, the answer, as an equation, which is A equals 0.01031. And that is how you multiply and divide with decimals.